Hi there everyone, Life DIY Josie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday, when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday. Grab two large rectangular slotted baskets that they sell at Dollar Tree. They come in different colors and I chose the blue one. Get two Dollar Tree paper towel holders, some zip ties. Dollar Tree sells them as well at their home improvement section. 4 skinny slotted baskets that they also sell at Dollar Tree. They come in 2, sometimes 3 in a pack. Fix All or E6000, they sell Fix All at Dollar Tree. Glue gun and glue sticks. And not shown, you'll also need a sharp pair of scissors. Place the 2 paper towel holders facing each other in parallel, and then place the first basket at the bottom. You can position it this way, where the wider side is fronting you, or the narrower or the shorter side. I chose to put the narrower side to be the front. Then I am going to be cutting some notches here, using the width of the handle of the paper towel holders as my guide. Cutting the notches is necessary in order for me to put the paper towel holder handle flush against the basket. Once it's flush, connect the bar handle of the paper towel holders to the baskets using the slots as your guide. You will need 2 zip ties on each side. Place the second basket, align it to the first basket, but this time you will not cut the notches. You will just let the basket sit on top of the handle of the paper towel holder. And then connect it again with zip ties. This time I used 4 on each side to keep it more stable. Connect the skinny baskets. I used 3 on each side. The first one I positioned at the very bottom, sitting on the half of the bottom of the paper towel holder. And then I put the second one suspended in the middle, with its bottom sitting on the frame or the lip of the first basket. And then the third one on the top basket, I connected it and tied it to the lip of the upper basket. I used 2 zip ties to connect the first and the third baskets, but I added a couple more for the middle or the second basket to reinforce it. I then used my hot glue to reinforce all connections and secure them, and it does double purpose so that the ends that are sharp, I'm also covering and protecting our hands from getting scratched or cut. And here is the finished project. I set it up with smaller baskets to organize the items inside the bigger baskets. And this is where I organize my craft paint, my ribbons. Look at the front where I used it also as ribbon dispenser. I used or took advantage of the slots so that I can pull through each slot or the holes the ribbons, and then I can cut them through so that they don't get tangled. The side baskets are very useful as well for the things that I need, the smaller items. I have spools of threads there and many more. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!